Hello everyone, this is the talented Mr. Fridge. I'm here at the fridge of a close friend. The outside of this fridge is pretty nice too, but that is not what this is about. Okay, it's looking clean. This is what I'm first noticing. We have kimchi, salsa verde, hummus from Sahadi's, olives from Sahadi's, hummus from Trader Joe's, and cottage cheese from Trader Joe's. Cheese, blue cheese, Swiss Gruyere cheese, cheddar cheese, and what does that say? Parmesan from also Trader Joe's. Now here we have a little container of just a tiny, I saw this earlier, a little tiny bit of broccolini. I'll close that later. We have a bottle of chilled red of some sort. We have a white wine of some sort as well. Otto's Constant Dream Sauvignon Blanc. Now, we have this darling little one piece of pizza. We have a bag of chicken breasts. Now we have, is this like it's lettuce, little gem lettuce. This is romaine times 2. This is 2 apples and 1 carrot. Now this is eggs, perfect dozen. This fridge is kind of giving perfect. These are anchovies. This is ssamjang. This is butter, salted. This is Dijon mustard. This is whole grain Dijon mustard. This is shoyu. This is peanut butter. This is almond milk. This is whole milk. This is gamay. This is 2 bottles of Gerolsteiner, a chic type of seltzer. So this fridge is soothing, calm. Doesn't look like anyone's doing anything frantic or like chaotic here. It all feels under control and precious.